morning. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to this 11th International Conference on Restructuring of the Global Economy that is being hosted jointly by Center for Business and Economic Research and the Faculty of Commerce and Business Administration Future University in Egypt. The world is changing so dramatically. I call it VUCA world. So in this VUCA world, it is so heartening to see that the 11th, the ROGE conference has been born out of a spirit of collaborations and cooperation between two institutions and other institutions who are taking huge commitment to support this conference, not only financially or morally, but it's a great commitment towards the research and excellence. Now, I hope that ROGE 2022 will afford an opportunity for dialogue between local and international delegates, as well as afford a platform for leading specialists and thought leaders. It is very sad that this conference, when we have always over 33 to 35 countries delegation participation, this is the first time post-COVID situations 95% of our delegates didn't get visas. I think this is now that post-COVID world, the type of scenarios we all are facing nowadays. We all recognize the importance of the individual and the benefits that can be gained from knowledge sharing and heuristic learning, while we all recognize that situation surrounding COVID-19 is still exceptionally fluid. Academics did not want to miss out on the opportunity to engage and share our research output with colleagues around the world. And that's why you can see a number of delegates are participating online or virtually to join with us and mingle virtually actually to interact their ideas. And there has been a tremendous response to this conference, underscoring the importance of the need to engage, interact, to be open to fresh ideas and learning. When scholars attend such gathering, it is not only healthy, but vital if lasting solutions are to be found for some of the worst challenges today we all are facing. Such conferences can be provide a particular unique platform for educators and researchers to communicate and promote their research findings in a welcoming environment. This gathering serves as a timely reminder of the necessity of being outward looking and making research available to the public. No country can afford to be complacent. If globalization has taught us anything, it is essential to learn from others, adapt, and continually to strive to improve our offerings. Lasting development in any nation can only come from promotion of merit and collaborative spirit that sees partnership, enterprise, and a commitment to meaningful research and development. Higher education must be at the forefront of development with a concerted drive to move up world academic rankings whilst also meeting the needs of a nation in such a building world that is most complex and ambiguous. Such an academic conference is a golden opportunity to forge new connections. Higher education can truly transform it, and it is up to each of us and our respective institutions and organizations to play our part. Conferences provide an opportunity for cross-university exchange. The formation of multi-university collaboration might be difficult, yet conferences provide as a platform for such collaboration to occur. It is possible to advance specific research initiatives by pooling resources and experiences, but it is also possible to advance science as a whole. It is not only possible to present research at conferences to the general public, but also it may also serve as an important arena for brainstorming, networking, and building critical concern. At this stage, I'd like to convey my special gratitude to the Future University Egypt, Professor Al-Beda Sarhan. Thank you so much for accepting and bringing that collaboration. I think institutional sustainability only can work through mutual collaborations, institutional collaboration, whether it is local and international. That should be the goal for many academics in institutions. because it is not the traditional concept just to teach and bring, but the research, that combined with teachings can contribute immensely to the prosperity and excellence of the society. Also, I would like to, no conference of this significance just happens. I have been fortunate to have encountered tremendous professionalism in those who have helped put this event together. I must acknowledge someone, the role, especially the role of the Dean, Vice Dean for Postgraduate Studies, Future University in Egypt, Professor Gadir Mohammed Badr, who has worked tirelessly from Future University in Egypt side back and forth for the last 1 year. This collaboration, because for the last 2.5 years, I think, to come into force, but for the last 1 year, her insight to the conference to make it, that success was tremendous. We thank all our committee members, conference advisor, track and session chairs, reviewers, and especially you in making this conference successful. I want to express my gratitude to Dr. Bonia, Professor David Graves, Gerald, Suchitra Kular, Sujata, Mukta Khanum, Justin, Dr. Shomro, he'll be coming soon, and Mr. Santosh Sarkar for the close support to make this conference really a success. Some institutions have agreed to support this conference. This is not merely a financial investment, but also a significant commitment to institutional research and collaborations. Strong local and international research collaboration can lead to institutional sustainability. Our sincere gratitude to all great minds, Dr. Pankaj Salvasiu, Regent Group, Dr. Juan Roll, Dean Business School, Medgar Evers College, City University of New York, Vice Chancellor Rear Admiral Khaled Iqbal, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Maritime University, Bangladesh, Professor Chris Bellamy, General of Maritime Crime and Security for their support. I also would like to convey my the sincere gratitude to Dr. Anna Wharton, Research Publications and Enrichment, Regent College, and Dr. Chris Wood, Director of Research Publications and Enrichment, Regent College, for their tremendous and unconditional support to ensure the success of this conference. Several eminent international experts who will give keynote address at this conference, including Dr. Mike Wagner, Cincinnati University, USA, Professor Nagwa Khashaba, Dean Faculty of Commerce and Business, Future University in Egypt, Professor Sapna, he just got COVID yesterday, and he just sent his so regret that he could not come, but he'll be joining later on today online. Professor Chris Bellamy, Professor Emeritus of Maritime Security at the University of Greenwich, Honorable Minister Dr. Ibrahim Muhammad Awal, Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture of Ghana. He'll be joining at 2 o'clock, I'm sure that, yes, with Ambassador of High Commissioner of Ghana, and Professor Padma Kuri Banerjee, Vice Chancellors, Sir Padampat Sringhani University, India, Professor Alan Parkinson, Deputy Director and Principal Teaching Fellow, School of Management, University of London, Dr. Warren Matthews, Belhaven University, USA, Professor Peter Cook, University of Wollongong, and Shampali from Dalhousie University, including Deepraj Mukherjee, Kent State University, and Hoda Abdullah Hamid, Ali Muhammad, PhD University, and David Graves, Center for Business and Economic Research. All concerned with the Center for Business and Economic Research are grateful for your trust and willingness to place your research into public domain through CBER conference, through ROGE conference. It is always a joy. Welcome back. Our old friends, over 18% of our old friends joined this conference this year. And our earnest wish is that all participants will feel truly engaged, ready to ask, to research, yet constructive questions in order to learn. I wish you all the success and productive and enjoyable conference. Again, thank you to all for joining this 11th International Conference. The conference is now open. Thank you so much.